Good afternoon, students. In previous lectures, we have discussed about the various causes which may leads to the electrolyte imbalance and how we are managed or treat. Mainly in the management of electrolyte imbalance, we are use various preparations that we are display here. Mainly we are seeing the electrolyte replacement therapy, in which the most important electrolytes like sodium replacements we are doing by using sodium chloride and its preparation. Potassium replacements therapy we are followed by using potassium chloride and its preparation. Calcium replacements we are following by using calcium chloride, calcium gluconate, calcium lactate, dibasic or tribasic calcium phosphate, and their preparations. All these preparations mainly administered by oral and parenteral route of administration. In parenteral route of administration, all these replacements we are doing mainly by using IV route of administration, intravenous. Orally, we are use tablets, effervescent tablets, capsules, powders like fine powder, granules, effervescent powders, in liquid preparations, syrups, suspensions, mixtures, like that. Various preparations of all above ingredients we are used for the replacement of sodium, potassium, and calcium. And all that we are saying the electrolyte replacement therapy. So, in which first we see the monograph of sodium chloride. Along with that, we are also discuss about the various preparations of sodium chloride. Formula of sodium chloride is here. Sodium is here, molecular formula. With 15.44. Synonym of sodium chloride. There are various synonym. Common salt, uh, nitric chloridium, common salt, nitric chloridium. These are the synonym for sodium chloride. Our know that sodium chloride is a most important salt in our body, and it is help to maintaining the osmotic pressure of blood and tissues. Changes in osmotic pressure also influence the movement of fluids and the diffusion of salt in cellular tissues. अगर इसमें osmotic pressures में कम है ज़्यादा हुआ तो transportation of fluid from that cellular membrane that is also affected. It is the salt of extracellular fluid and normal plasma fluid which contains about 140 milliequivalent per ml of sodium ions. About 100 milliequivalents per ml of chloride ions. About 5 to 12 grams of sodium chloride is taken daily in the food as a taste enhancer and the corresponding amount of excreted through urine and the sweat to maintain the balance. The excess of sodium chloride in our body act as a saline diuretic. अब ये जो हमारे डाइट में से हमें मिलता है अप्रोक्सीमेटली daily requirement is there 5 to 12 grams. The excess of sodium chloride is excreted through urine and sweat, and that helps to maintain the it balance in our body. Of sodium chloride, definitely, how we are getting from seawater in large scale. We are also getting from raw salts. We are also prepared sodium chloride in laboratory. So the preparation of sodium chloride. We are getting from three different sources from rock salt. आपको पता है कि ये दुनिया या ये पृथ्वी ये कैसे बनी और इस पृथ्वी के ऊपर हलचल जो है वो निरंतर होते रहे। तो कभी जो समुद्र थे वो आज पहाड़ है, आज कभी पहाड़ थे आज समुद्र है। तो ये जो है ये अर्थक्वेक की वजह से होता है। तो जहाँ भी कहीं ये समुद्र का जो पानी था ये जमा हुआ और फिर उसका कन्वर्शन इसमें हो गया सॉल्ट्स में रॉक्स में हो गया तो ये सारा जमीन में दब गया। तो उससे भी हमें मिलता है इन हिमालय पर्टिकुलरली देयर इज अ माइंस ऑफ द सॉल्ट्स। तो वहाँ से वो लोग ढलान में से नमक के बड़े बड़े स्टोन्स निकालते हैं उसको ऊपर लाकर उसका पर्टिकुलरली प्यूरिफिकेशन करके क्लीनिंग करके ये करवाते हैं उसका सेट करवाते हैं फ्रॉम रॉक सॉल्ट दैट वी आर सेड। Sodium chloride is manufactured from underground rock salt deposits. Boreholes, उसको बोर भी करते हैं जहाँ पर ये दाने हैं उसकी वहाँ उसको बोरिंग भी किया जाता है या फिर वहाँ से निकाला भी जाता है। Boreholes drilled and in that boreholes that water is runs. So what happens? That saturated with salts and that collects that solution we are saying the brine and that clear saturated brine is then pumped above the surface and this is evaporated in trickle effect evaporators to obtain the salts or sodium. Then from seawater that is the most common method. आप उस वायरस का बापू का सत्याग्रह को भूले नहीं होगी तो समुद्र से का जो पानी आता है तो उसकी लहरें जब अंदर आती है तो उसको हम ब्लॉक करते हैं और उसको हम ड्राई करते हैं एंड when that water is evaporated completely we are getting that raw salt which is we are purified and then we are used as a salt or sodium chloride. That's mainly we are seeing the common salt. It is a well known that seawater contains salts, especially sodium chloride. Common salt has been manufactured by the hundred of years by evaporation of seawater. In a shallow pans or shallow tank, this process is still used for manufacturing of common salt. आप कभी गुजरात के जाते हो तो देखिए दांडी यात्रा जो गांधी जी ने की थी तो आप वहाँ देखिए तो समुद्र के किनारे में जब लहरें अंदर आती है ना भर्ती होती है तो उस पानी को पर्टिकुलरली ब्लॉक किया जाता है जिससे लहरें अंदर आने के बाद वो वापस नहीं जाने देते उसको और उस पानी को उस शैलो पैंस में डुबैया या फिर वहाँ शैलो पर्टिकुलरली गड्ढे करते हैं बड़े चौड़े लंबे और उसी के अंदर ये पानी को जो है कलेक्ट करते हैं एंड दैट शुड बी इवेपोरेटेड naturally that collected in pans or tanks and artificially we are evaporated. So we are getting the water, particularly raw salt which is purified and we are used there. The common salt is prepared by this method. Then pure sodium chloride. We are prepared by reacting hydrochloric acid with particularly concentrated solution of common salt. That hydrochloric acid passes through the saturated solution of common salt. That HCl gas dissolves in water from hydrochloric acid as a sodium chloride is not soluble in hydrochloric acid. Therefore, pure sodium chloride is crystallized, leaving impurities in the solution. In which what we are doing? We are preparing the solution of common salt. And in which particularly that hydrochloric acid gases is here passes through this solution of common salt. So what happens? That hydrochloric acid dissolve in water and the crystals of sodium chloride were getting. That's filter and dry. So by this way, we have prepared sodium. Their properties अब सोडियम क्लोराइड कैसे मिलता है आपको यानी दिखाई देता है फर्स्ट स्टेप white crystalline powder odor odorless taste saline taste solubility freely soluble in water soluble in glycerin these are the properties. See, odor taste colorless or white crystalline powder odorless saline in taste solubility freely soluble in water soluble in glycerin. These are the physical properties. Then sodium chloride represents approximately 17.1 millimole, milliequivalent of sodium and chloride. Uses, particularly it is commonly used in the food taste and flavor enhancer. It is used in sodium replacement therapy. It is a saline diuretic. In bromide and iodine poisoning, it is used as an antidote. It is also used as a dialysis solution, used in emetics, used in homeopathic medicine. These are the various uses of sodium chloride. Then uses were repeated here. Taste and flavor enhancer in food industries और in were used. नमक अगर नहीं होगा हमारे खाने में तो स्वाद नहीं आएगा, टेस्ट भी नहीं है और खुशबू भी कम हो जाएगी. So a taste and flavor enhancer. And it is used in the sodium replacement therapy. It is also used as an antidote in bromide and iodine poisoning. It is also used as an emetic, used in homeopathic medicine. बारह जो क्षार माने जाते हैं उसमें से एक इम्पोर्टेंट सॉल्ट्स homeopathic medicine. Homeopathic medicine is mainly based on the 12 salts, and out of that 12 salts, that sodium is one of the important salts. Incompatibility, it is incompatible with silver, lead, and mercury salts. Storage, okay, school करते हैं आप different layer of something with it absorbs the moisture. So it is always stored in a airtight container. So all these are about sodium chloride. Now the various preparations of sodium chloride that were used as a replacement therapy. So first we see that preparations one by one. There are a number of preparations. So out of that, few names were noted. First, sodium chloride injection. Sodium chloride injection. That's intravenous infusion approximately 0.9% requirement. That's commonly used. That also called as a normal saline solution. chloride injection. And also called as a Rieger solution. It contains potassium chloride, calcium chloride, and sodium chloride. So these preparations is commonly used as a fluid and electrolyte replacements. And third one, sodium chloride hyperbolic injection. Hyperbolic injection. They mention hyperbolic, isotonic solutions. This is the isotonic solution. अब ये isotonic solution है 0.9% डेल्टा वॉल्यूम, तो इससे ज्यादा कंसंट्रेशन जिसका होगा, so that solution is considered hypertonic injection. They are also used in special conditions as a fluid and electrolyte reclamation. The compound sodium chloride solution in hypertonic solution, that concentration is approximately 1.6% delta volume. Therefore, sodium chloride and dextrose injection, that also called as the DNS, dextrose with normal saline solution. It contains dextrose 5% and sodium chloride 0.9%. Red light 1. They also use as a fluid and electrolyte combinations. Then sodium chloride tablets the usual strength is 0.3 gram, 0.6 grams. That is also used as a electrolyte combinations. The bacteriostatic sodium chloride injection, the same. It is a sterile vehicle used as a